no strings on me.
This is Avengers Age of Ultron. Now, this is episode I don't know. Let's begin the episode. Whoa, what's up? What you doing, Thor? Oh, whoa, we're here. I'm your biggest fan. Just be quiet, because this is a long story. What happened? This is a long story. Why you're not even here? Because I drink Ascot. I'm drinking drunks. I've never seen that before. Oh, true. That's good. Die. Hulk smash more. That's good. Hello, Hulk. What you doing? What's up? Hulk smash more. What's up, you poop? And the other guys are in the other one.
I'm Ant-Man.
Who just said that?
I'm Ant-Man.
Oh, just can you be quiet, Ant-Man? Okay. The others are here. Ching! Oh, there are no soldiers here. That's good. I know. Ultron, you must die. Yeah. Okay, what we gonna do now? Hello guys, what are you doing? You must die. Now, there are no strings on me. Wire keeps like that. To be continued. That's a weird song. Now let's begin. This will be. Let's be quiet now. Goodbye. This is now August. What's today, August? Friend, what is today, August? Friend. Today is August. Friend.
$1 million.
I hate that. Be quiet now.